Hey everybody, it's Beth. I grabbed this set of 3 gift bags from Dollar Tree. I'll just be using one of them. I also grabbed this shelf sitter and painted the lower part of it on the border as well as the back with moss green chalk paint by Waverly. I gave that full coverage, let that dry, and then I sanded down the top part so it made it easier to paint, so I had to do less coats. Once I had that sanded down, I painted it with antique white acrylic paint by Folkart, giving that full coverage as well. I also painted the inside part of that box on the sides with the same color, white as the top. Next, I'm taking the gift bag and cutting off one of the sides. And then I'm just placing in the bag and kind of just pushing it along the edge on the inside and cutting that spot that I had marked, and do this until I have the size I want for the inside. And then apply a layer of Mod Podge to the inside of the box. Once I have that layer on there, I also add a layer to the border of the back of the gift bag, just to make sure that I have it fully adhered once inside. I place it down and smooth it out with my hands at first, making sure that it's all stuck down, and then use my heating tool to dry that layer of Mod Podge. Next, I'm taking this Believe in the Magic rub-on transfer. I had cut it from a rub-on transfer from Timeless Designs I get from Amazon. I'm just separating the words so I can place them where I want them. I place them down, and then I use the tool it comes with to rub them on to the sign. I then peel back the film from the front, doing it slowly to make sure that everything is stuck down. Once the wording is in place, I go around with a fan brush and add some moss green just on the border on that top section. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.